Imagine waking up in the morning and your home is already one step ahead of you. The lights gently brighten, your favorite playlist starts, and the coffee machine whirs to life, all without you lifting a finger. This isn't just a futuristic fantasy, it's the reality made possible by AI agents. These digital helpers are quietly revolutionizing the way we live, work, and interact with technology. What's truly fascinating is that AI agents aren't just following static instructions, they're learning from you. Every time you interact with your smart speaker, use an AI-powered app, or adjust your smart home devices, these agents are paying attention. They're observing your routines, picking up on your preferences, and gradually adapting to fit your lifestyle. Over time, they become more attuned to your needs, making your daily life smoother and more convenient than ever before. Think of it as having a digital sidekick that's always learning, always improving. The more you use it, the smarter it gets. For example, if you tend to check the weather every morning, your AI assistant might start offering you a forecast as soon as you wake up. If you regularly order groceries on Fridays, it might remind you before you even think to ask. It's like having a personal assistant who knows your habits inside and out, but never takes a day off. And it's not just about convenience. AI agents can help you stay organized, save time, and even look out for your well-being. Imagine an AI that reminds you to take your medication, suggests healthier meal options, or helps you keep in touch with loved ones. These digital helpers are becoming an integral part of our daily routines, quietly making life easier behind the scenes. Let's dive a little deeper into how these AI agents actually work. Unlike traditional software that simply follows a set of rules, AI agents are designed to take action. They don't just sit around waiting for you to tell them what to do. They anticipate your needs and proactively offer solutions. For instance, if you're running late for a meeting, your AI assistant might automatically suggest the fastest route, send a message to your colleagues, and even reschedule your next appointment. It's like having a supercharged digital assistant that's always one step ahead. And the best part? These agents are constantly learning from your feedback. If you correct them or give them new information, they remember it and use it to improve their future responses. Over time, they become more accurate, more helpful, and more in tune with your unique preferences. Think of AI agents as digital assistants that can handle a wide range of tasks for you. Need to set a reminder for an important meeting? Just ask. Want to know the answer to a tricky question? Your AI agent is ready to help. Some agents can even take on more complex responsibilities like driving cars, managing your calendar, or helping you stay on top of your studies. The possibilities are almost endless. And as these agents become more advanced, they're taking on bigger and more challenging roles in our lives. For example, autonomous vehicles use AI agents to navigate busy streets, avoid obstacles, and ensure passenger safety. In the workplace, AI agents can help professionals manage their schedules, prioritize tasks, and even automate repetitive processes. The result? More time for you to focus on what really matters. Now, you might be picturing a world full of robot overlords, but the reality is much more down to earth. Most AI agents are specialists. They're designed to do one thing, and do it exceptionally well. In the office, you might use an AI tool that helps you analyze data or draft emails. In a factory, technicians rely on AI-powered machines to monitor equipment and predict maintenance needs. In healthcare, doctors are using AI agents to assist with diagnostics, helping them make more accurate decisions and provide better care to patients. These agents aren't here to take over, they're here to help, working alongside us to make our lives easier and more efficient. What's really impressive is that not all AI agents need to be connected to the internet to function. Some are designed to work entirely offline, right on your device. This means you can access their help even when you're out of range or in areas with limited connectivity. For example, a wearable device might use an AI agent to track your fitness goals, monitor your health, or provide navigation assistance while you're hiking in the wilderness. These offline agents are just as smart and capable as their online counterparts, and they offer an extra layer of privacy and security by keeping your data on your device. One of the most exciting things about AI agents is their ability to personalize your experience. They don't just follow generic instructions, they learn what you like, what you need, and how you prefer to do things. Over time, they start to anticipate your preferences, making your interactions with technology feel more natural and intuitive. For example, your smart thermostat might learn your ideal temperature settings and adjust automatically throughout the day. Your music app might suggest new songs based on your listening history, introducing you to artists you've never heard before. Even your shopping experience can be transformed. with AI agents recommending products that match your style and budget. The result is a more personalized, enjoyable, and efficient way to live. But the power of AI agents doesn't stop at the individual level. When these digital helpers work together, they can tackle some of the biggest challenges facing our communities and cities. Imagine a network of AI agents managing traffic flow, reducing congestion, and making our streets safer for everyone. Or, picture a smart home system that optimizes energy usage, helping you save money while reducing your carbon footprint. In control rooms around the world, AI agents are helping city planners monitor infrastructure, respond to emergencies, and keep everything running smoothly. By working together, these agents can achieve things that would be impossible for any one person, or even a team of people, to accomplish on their own. AI agents are more than just tools. They're partners in our daily lives. They evolve with us, learning from our habits, adapting to our needs, and helping us achieve our goals. In the home, they bring families closer together by simplifying chores and keeping everyone connected. In the workplace, they foster collaboration, boost productivity, and free up time for creative thinking. In schools, they support students and teachers, making learning more engaging and accessible. As these agents continue to evolve, they're becoming an essential part of our world, shaping the way we live, work, and interact with technology. So, what's the coolest thing an AI agent has done for you? Maybe it helped you remember an important event, suggested the perfect gift, or even made you laugh with a clever response. Whatever it is, we want to hear about it. Drop your stories in the comments below, and let's celebrate the amazing ways AI agents are making our lives better, one digital helper at a time. The future is here, and it's powered by AI agents, your new digital partners in everyday life.